Mass media and the formation of informed and pseudo opinion. Let's first talk about the informed public opinion. Informed public opinion is the thoughtful, rationally based opinion formed after consideration and discussion with the interested and informed others. Informed public opinion is held by political elites in society who are especially attentive to political matters. When we talk about the pseudo public opinion expressed by various publics which lack a sound information base and the honing that comes from dialogue and debate. These opinions may be based on impression, moods, recollection of past opinions, or the plagiarism of opinions leaders' opinion. There is the basic difference between the informed public opinion and pseudo public opinion is that informed public opinion is based on rationality, and on the basis of reason you form the informed public opinion. But when we talk about the zero public opinion, you form it and you form it on the basis of the emotions. Media for elites. When we talk about the role of media in making public opinion, we need to understand that how media play a different role for the different segments of the society. For instance, Garber argued that the role of the media in the development of public opinion differs for elites and non elites. When we talk about the elites, information from the media becomes just one of many sources of data. Elites have access to the information, and there are multiple sources available to them when they talk about the availability of the information. Elites analyze new information from the media and compare it to the prior background knowledge they have. Whenever they get information through media, they compare that information with the available information through other sources of the information. As a result, new information may be integrated with the prior knowledge to reinforce existing opinion, or it may lead to some changes in opinion, or it may be rejected entirely. They information they get through the media, they compare that information with the other sources of the information, and once they make the comparison, and after making that comparison, they analyze the credibility of the information, and if they suits the agenda of the elites, they integrate that information and make the public and make it the part of the public opinion. Media for non-elites. When we talk about the media for non-elites, we have to keep it in mind that non-elites are not so interested in politics, and they have prior knowledge about relatively little prior knowledge about political issues. For non-elites, media coverage is not only a source of new data, but their only source of information. Non-elites just get information through the media, and they don't have any other source of information available to them. Public opinion elites may be seen as political sophisticates. Political sophistication is expertise in the political arena. Political experts have more complex and developed schemas about political matters. Political experts that belong to the political elite, they have more complex schemas to analyze information as compared to the non-elite. When forming political opinion, elites may use schemas that have been developed specifically for political information processing and decision making. Whenever they get any information related to the politics, they know how to analyze it because they have already developed political schemas. These schemas are ideologically based and concern party or political stands or beliefs about political issues. These schemas are actually developed on the basis of the political ideologies, on the basis of political interest, and on the basis of your party affiliation. And once you get any information, you try to analyze that information on the basis of these political schemas. And now, if we talk about the media used by non elites learn less from news and are not as analytical when encountering political message. They just get persuaded from those messages. Non-elite might simply transfer accessible schemas from daily life to the political context. Whenever they are going to analyze any political information, they just use the daily life schemas. They have not developed ideological based schemas or party affiliated based schemas. These schemas most likely deal with the political leaders and candidates as person and as personalities. Non-elites, whenever analyze political information, they analyze political information on the basis of their liking about political personalities. And this is how media is being used by the non elites and elites.